Right?
What?
It has an issue with one of the boards, right? It moves in X, Y, and Z. And on occasion, the Y-axis gives an alarm, so you have to reset it. I'll show you what I'm talking about. If it doesn't give us a problem, no problem. So let's just do a little simple something here. Put in a program like this one. Load that program, right? And then just say run. So you can see it comes down, it moves back. It's going to do a cut across. And once it gets to 5 inches, it's going to go back. It's making a little box pattern. Of course, you can turn the spindle on too. And this spindle also adjusts. Same way. So once that gets to 5 inches, it'll head away from us. Right about now. And then it heads back to the home position. And this is trimming apart. But you can make it cut any shape you want. It can be circular, you can cut out figurines. It's a milling machine. And anybody that is a machinist or a tool maker knows what these things are worth. In addition to that, this machine has manual mode, which means that if you don't want to run it like a computer, you just switch the switch in the back and you turn the cranks. And you can run it like a regular old-time machine. And now it ends and it's going to come out this way. And that's it.